The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Davidson County in Middle Tennessee, northeastern Williamson County in Middle Tennessee, until 4:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:07 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Fairview, or near Franklin, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damaged roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Franklin, Nashville, Brentwood, Nolensville, Forest Hills, Oak Hill, Bellmead, Bellevue, Antioch, Berry Hill, and Percy Priest Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.